stay ako. Pero nag-zone ako ba?
Hindi na wala tangan.
Zone na sila, pa-zone na sila.
Ang dami natin napatay sa ano. Sa HB.
Ay, wala. Normal. Wala po.
Ayun natin. Encode na, next speed.
Dito na dito. High cards. Kinakausap ko na. Lloyd.
Makarot yung mga kuhan, yung mga usi. Ako lang, usi. Ayaw, pag usi na, kubay kontra.
Unsa ni pag-activate ng sipod?
Ha?
Pag usi, wala pa yun.
Pinduta ra ng skillet nga murag
Kidlat.
murag kilat
Kidlat. You need 10 on that.
kanang murag kilat diha.
O saan na yung update na?
Sa weapon?
Ah,
Ni-zone ng Helicate. Ni-zone na.
Ano sa tayo?
murag to nga rin.
Ang high cards. Nanadaring high cards ang nag-atang sa tunnel. Zone.
Ginapos na yun. Ano?
Sige na, pwede na mo sulod rin. Even though
Yung
left hand Helicate garo.
Relocated din. Eh, pensa.
Ano, kapit na ako. Pagawas na sila. 60 to 30.
Yun nga, lumabas na sila. Tingnan
Ayun
lang.
na, ayun na.
Teka lang.
Oh, nandito na. Dito na high cards.
Slowly get out, boys. Slowly get out. Isa-isa lang. Huwag kayong sabay-sabay.
Isa pa lang.
One at a time, boys. One at a time. Don't go out together. Just one by one. One by one, mount up. One by one, mount up. One by one, mount up. Don't blab there, ha? Don't blab. Faster. Move.
G daw sila.
Go. Mount up na everyone. Go out. Mount up. Zone.
Zoning.
Zone. Zone, everyone, zone.
Zone na zone. Wait daw,
Zone,
sabi.
everyone. Zone. Everyone, faster.
Yo, word. Napay sa kablab mo?
Ignore,
Saan spot
just go.
tayo, Ray?
Doon pa rin. Pabor tayo sa view. Tara, everyone. Doon pa rin, pabor tayo sa view doon.
Pagay, yawas, kita na eh.
Hindi na nakikita yung yung south side eh. Pabor tayo dito. Hindi nila kayo nakikita eh. Pag nag-respawn sila. Sige na, everyone. Pasok. Everyone, faster. Fast. Don't loot, ha. Stop checking bodies. No, Q1, everyone. I mean Q2, everyone. Bows, Q2. It should be in Q2. Sabihin mo, nandito na kami.
Alam na nila.
Dep tanks, do your
Pa-zoning
job.
pa. Lima pa lang sila andito.
Sige na.
Pa-zone pa daw yung iba.
Watch out at the back, ha. We have droid count. No, will be good.
Actually, pag may solo bomb sila, na ba doon? Mahirap yan.
Where's the droid call? Suki, droid call, di ba ka? We have bomb.
Ito nagtaptan dyan.
Light speed, sulod na.
Suki, naka-droid call sa Suki.
Na si Hi Daddy. Hi Daddy.
Maabot ba ang
Pag shield drone.
Okay. Oo.
Shield drone, basta ibirahon ko na lang eh.
Duhan mi ni Kuan ni Ox. Naka-guard road.
Also,
Si
empty.
Ox.
Ikaw na sa harap.
Empty, wag yan,
Pagkatapos
empty.
ng
Mag,
duration.
magpan ka empty. Inertia ring. Inertia ring. You're not an engage. You're just a defender. Wala ka pang inertia ring? Wala pa siguro.
Ganda
Can you
niyan,
go,
pag minor
can you go geyser? W3. Power geyser.
Wala siyang food.
Someone
sige.
give Kyra food.
Di ba naka-IC kill ka? IC pala dito pala yun.
Dito yun.
Tier 7 yung height.
Dito,
Tuda
just
John
one tap.
Platito ba? Isa kalaban, mapatay ni. O pa dyan nakagig ka tong giant boots.
Gigam 55.
Sira ulo ka nila, ang dami nila.
Naging dito.
Have you watched the 300 movie, guys?
What?
That's
Oh, yeah.
Spartan.
So,
Choke
Ah,
point.
sila?
Holding a choke point.
Pick up, dili sila maway kap sa gawas daw.
wala sila. Dito, stay here.
Isa na ingon. Isa na
Pare,
ingon.
ara na drio.
Hindi, it's up to them. They won't get you there.
Number ganit na nila, madlock pa sila.
Rapper labas.
Raikou,
No, wait, what?
Raikou,
What?
we need a battle cry from you, bro. Just do
What?
a battle cry. Battle cry, bro. Just do a battle cry. I'm gonna jump in. Like Spartan.
Battle cry.
I can't do that. Everyone's talking right now. I need to calm down my voice.
Saka, you do it.
Huh? Okay. But he's the leader, man. He should give the call. Like
Just listen to Raiko.
Magdedemas daw sila pag hindi tayo pumalag sa labas.
Repair eh.
I-clear namin yung tiering.
It's up to them. They have like 31 person. The heck of them. 31 sila eh. They have 31. We only have like 23. 22.
Doon pa nga yung HO nila, ang bilis lang mag-regear eh. Takot pa, bodo.
Bomb daw po.
Kakuan.
Gusto nilang sumali. Ayun na. Labas ako rin ah.
Watch out lang. They have 32. We only have 20. 21, 22.
That's 24 assist.
Eh, sa ledger.
What?
We have 32.
Oh. Anong una? Wait kasi ako namatay.
D1? What is
Kung magdidimas kayo, magmamas kayo ulit, atayin namin video.
Okay.
guys, I'm AFK. I'm reconnecting. So don't kill me.
They have more than us.
May kalaban kasi sila, Ray. Panty pa rin,
Kalaban nila.
nandito pa rin.
Lumalaban sila?
Oh,
Seryoso?
pinasok HO nila. Oh, pinasok HO. Ay, Terry. Ubus!
Manta.
Sino yun? Sino makatalo?
Manta.
Ay, cards. Nabomb
Sino kalaban nila?
sila. Panty
Ano
Tanobo.
kalaban nila?
Chinese.
Yung labas kanina.
Walkman to Tanobo.
Mga ilan?
Dito pa nga. Oh.
Mga ilan yan, palagay mo?
Ano ba ta? Hirap. Mix kasi
Ilan
yung
ba dyan?
blob.
51, 51,
Mix yung
50?
Oh,
51.
51, 150. Let me check na lang. Baka
Mas magawas pa gyud ta pila ka ni.
No, stay boys, stay here.
Please.
Stay inside, don't move. Let me check.
Halt. Sa
Oh,
healer.
on pa ba?
AMPC yun.
Stats by...
Alam, Marlik ka ba yun? Pucho.
Madli kayo, sir.
Yes. Wait, kung
Dito naman si BBM, di ba?
taco ba?
Ay, wala na.
Wala na, umalis.
Who is this?
Six doors.
Deagle.
Lumabas.
Ay,
Gucci lagi
Okay,
ni Marvin.
pumasok.
Bamir ang puta.
Wala ba? Wala.
6 doors ha? Bantay,
Sakit
bantay,
yun.
bantay.
Diyan ko, kalit buisit
One
na
shot,
agad.
one shot.
Nakuha
One
si
shot,
Blabber
They're
eh.
coming.
Tier 5 man siguro na.
Dili. Let me check. No more one souling ha. Only me.
Naligid na yung mga mahal.
Sarap
Kami
tos.
ito sa ano na rin ka?
Kailan, di mo
Stay,
na
stay.
mahilapot.
Go yan yung mga buwan. Ginakulata sa lagkuan ay.
Oh my god, they're coming.
Adilay mo, mukha na na. Di,
Dila.
bro.
Sinasa mo
Cheater
pala.
ang manahon, Ray. Ang konti.
Don't
Kanat na lang itong kalabanon.
Tara, go out, boys. Everyone, go out.
Sa may dito na choke dere.
Go out. Everyone, go out.
Dito sa bridge oh.
Gago, 5150. Bibuha ni.
Come here with me.
Ah, rismata ka. Sige.
Come here with me.
Wala, nakos blabay mo nung ganahan.
Gago, 5150.
Pudjak.
Check, everyone, put check.
Walking.
What the fuck? 5150. Shit.
We go.
Oh,
Chicken.
Gago si Nora nakalahila mood.
Ready,
Napigit
ha?
yun.
Everyone, ready. Stop talking. Ready. Palong.
inside?
Eh. 3. Palong. Follow boys, in 3. Okay, climb them. Boys, on me, drop on me. Boys, push. Drop on me.
Na-stop sila.
Stop. Go south. Everyone, go south. No more, dip time. Do your dab. Go south.
Ah.
Go south.
Def.
Human armor, go south. Let's go south. Guide down, everyone. You should be fast. Wait, watch out. Wait.
Mga low, labas yung mga low.
Everyone, go south.
Stabilize.
Go back to the water bridge, stabilize. Water bridge, listen.
Tara.
Listen, water bridge, go back water
Water
bridge.
base, everyone.
Kami na, mamuli.
Go back water bridge, listen, faster. Don't use your boat.
Kite.
Just walk.
Pinok lang natin yun para sundan tayo.
Tiri,
Ah,
Diyan mo go.
lumabas na sila.
Lumabas na.
Dako sa yung vlog.
Lumabas na sila.
Check na ako kaya.
Hey, DPS, why in
Namatay
front?
yung pagsalita kanina.
Pass the crown, listen. DPS.
Okay.
Those gamers.
Gamit sa kapal.
Ano sila diri sa kilid, nag-clear sa tere.
Ano please, Tere?
Oh, ay. Sunod na.
Boys, don't get in front of me.
Sunod na. Ah,
Palikod na ang mga tangras
Go
lubangan.
back. Everyone, go back. Listen.
balik sila Ray. Tuyok sila sa tere, clear of max. Ay guards.
Out nila. Ay,
Pinuto ni Bank ni, nagtalikod sila.
Ina. Hindi ka na, damay ka na. Laki ng blab nila. Sila lang lahat yan.
Isang daka ba ata?
gamay na.
Sila yata yung ano rito eh.
Come
One
to
third.
the blob
Eh, 20 lang.
northwest.
Mount up, everyone. Don't dismount, mount up.
Mount up.
Don't follow me. Stay there. Don't follow me. Stay there.
Hold lang pre.
Nagyapon sila dire sulod Ray.
After clearing.
Suko din sila sa high cards jud.
Away, nagsaray. Ano mo?
Oh, yeah. Come on. Please. Inchar. Walk in. This man on me.
After engage nyo ha, pwede nyo
Go back na, huwag na kayo
ready
mag-roll.
defensive.
After mag-engage, boys, go back na. Don't roll. I didn't call to roll for that. Ready, ha?
Plano ito.
Okay.
Ay, patubakan kay pre.
In 3, in 2. On me, boys. Boys, on me. Tap on me. Stop damage. Hilin. Defensive. Go back. South. Go back south. Don't get caught.
Guard run.
Don't get caught. Go
Guard
back.
run.
Nice one. Nice.
Ang dami natin namatay doon.
Tulak mo, Ops. Meron ka ba?
Atras. Sino wala atras? Go back.
Matayan kayo?
Go back. Yan sila. I don't know why you guys died. You should pop your defensive.
EPM, si Haka.
So yun naman, drop A mo, defensive na.
Drop E, then go back. That's it.
For example, anak.
Nag-FPS drop.
Pag drop A, defensive.
Nagsalig lagi, kinahilit.
Madalag hilit na.
Kinahilit. Nalisod ka na ko-claim sa inyo, ha?
Naka-ready na
Pinakabakod ako.
yung defensive nila. Ay, ditang. Sa likod. Mahirap na pasukin to.
Ito, mount up. Everyone, mount up.
Iba yung kalaban nila. What the fuck?
Ang kalaban ng alin? Boys, follow me.
Rats pala to.
May kalaban pa rin sila?
Dapat. Oh, high cards. Alliance ng high cards.
Ganito, with the blabber and slowly go south, ha? South of the blabber.
Range naman kayo, diba? Oh, after nyo
Boys,
mag-E.
abuse your weapon. You are range DPS. Why you getting close to me?
Pag na-stop kayo,
Deblab.
may gigabats ba kayo?
Spread.
Deblab. Slowly follow me.
Sinong naka-night armor?
Slowly follow me.
Ay,
On the
naka-night
dot,
helmet.
blue dot,
Ako.
Royal blue dot. Just follow me.
Before engage, night helmet. Para di ma-stop.
Dismount here. Putik, may scout dito.
Perma.
Sige.
Nag-regear.
Ready. Palo.
High cards yung andito, Ray.
Sige lang. Palo.
Nasa northwest. Ay, northeast.
Sige, palo.
Saka dito.
Bilisan nyo. Where's
Dito sila sa north.
What the fuck is this? Sino yung mga DPS din sa baba? Tagal nyo.
Layo naman.
Bilisan nyo.
Layo.
Layo yung iniputan nyo. May daanan dyan sa may HO banda. Ready. On me, boys. Palo, boys. Come on. They're not healthy. Low HP. Palo, in 3, in 2, in 1, boys. On me, boys. Boys, on me. Drop on me.
Nice. Patay.
Hindi na yung defensive nyo. Tapos.
Heal up. Nice. Sige lang. Isa lang namatay.
Dati
Kinain. Kinain niya yung damage, Ray. Hindi mo na yung armor. Sabi sa'yo eh.
Sino may ang bloody?
Weird kalaban mo.
Wait lang.
Looking sila. Looking.
Everyone, on me. Boys, on me.
Okay.
On me.
Trapi! Uy! Ito naman.
Keep it.
Cut. I'll stop them. Sige.
South. Follow me. Follow me. Heal. I need heal. Faster. I need
Dito,
heal.
stop.
I need heal. In 3, boys. In 3, in 2, in 1. On me, boys. Putik sa akin. Kulang na lang talaga.
Def. Helmet. Gigabats kung meron.
Patay.
Kulang na lang.
Sayang, kulang.
Kulang yung damage sa akin.
Tingnan, may raptor dyan sa dito.
Last mo na kayo.
Guardian health kung meron.
Everyone, stay healthy.
I'll stop them. Go walk.
Ay, saan daw?
Stay healthy.
Patay juga ba yun? Pakaya?
Wait natin yung mga kasama natin.
Stay healthy. Go out. Stay healthy. Go out.
Cool down to ko to, Ray. Wala ka itong clamp.
Look at this. Oh, sayang talaga na.
Low ka eh.
Double clamp ya ito ba eh?
Gani, sayang pa yun.
Oh. was
Sayang ko lang dapat ga-damage ka dyan lagi next.
look oh. Look at this oh. Look at the live. Look at the live. Look at the live.
No, nag-clamp sa baba oh. Tara oh. Ah.
Huh?
Tara. Kulang
Could
din
delete
ba eh?
five guys
Mga
from
dos.
Ayan, no.
Natin napatay ata wala. Ay, wala.
Marag wala.
Ay,
Wala.
Ay isa.
Eh oh, nakakuan si Oten og Adili.
Sinura.
Ayan kayo ito.
Sinura, nakapatay. Isa.
We could turn the tide on that one.
Naka-clamp si Nora tong dito sa ilalong sa Terry. Na-delete sa dito dito.
Sige. Thank you, Ray. Ugma na po ko, Ray. Thank you.
Sige na. See that?
Kalaban sila, Darren.
Delete
Ano
that.
na, bago mag-dismount.
Karing duwa, yung mga bomber.
Ano?
Sayang. We should kill that one.
Kawawa.
Sayang. Delete them.
Gila mo.
Gather,
Naghanip
gather.
pa to.
Ano SB? Sabi niya SB.
Pindot sila kadula bro, makakuha tagkuan. Yang gato na pud ugma kap.
Pakwarta sa utin, wala makikwarta.
Bilang.
Pag-ikan sa may.
Chill. I'll announce the loot later. Hindi ko naman yun.
Utang utin, nangutang na lang, wala kaya makikwarta.
Bilang bayad ra ko.
Dito sa right.
Manghagad pag siya ugma.
Bilang may
Thank you guys.
Pagsulugan ko kung mamot ka kon. Red zone.
We chill boys. I'll put your loot in the box.
Tara, di makarbak tala sabay-sabay
Right
na.
loot ni Hiraya, ako na lang kukuha.
Kay Raya. Ilagay ko na kay Raya.
Gugulo ako dito.
Ay, ating Raya.
Gugulo ako.
Thrown in box, I think.
Wow, wag di ka nga sa
Oy, so okay, nang rat na sa
Kung
kadara.
patay.
Healer na rat.
Wala tao dire, pwede ra ta mag-root.
Lumaksam ako na ko na. May clamp na ko. I-clamp na ko na. Buang mo. Pila kong set.
We chill everyone. Good job. We're improving slowly.
GG.
Yeah.
I need more extra damage than that. Marami tayong club
Pag
na
mo,
hindi talaga na napipinis agad.
pag mo hawad mo guna na, pwede na mag-sing, pwede na mag-con,
Pag magaling na kayo niyan boys.
fight.
We can invade terrace. If you're good enough
Oo,
na.
pwede.
Nalingaw pa ko sa kumbir po ato ganina.
Pwede na.
break, mag-ano kaya to, mag-fight natin na.
Di na. No. Guys, boys. Here's the thing about pigs fighting in arena. You're not scared at all. You're not experiencing the adrenaline. So, trying to clamp and
Okay ra mamatay.
Hmm.
Gulay thrill.
you don't have the thrill.
Hindi mo isipin mag-ingat.
Na outlook.
Maro ko nag-yellow zone.
You're gonna be reckless. You in your mindset. My loot is not gonna go.
Ayaw diha.
Bili pwede ka bawal karbing atok.
I think
Pwede.
carving will be good, but
Kira
Pwede.
karbi.
actually, I need like rock
Di
collar and some DPS, range DPS. I need
Ako na
perma.
Tigdibot
If-
lang ko kap.
If we have perma on that will be insta delete.
Hadlock yung gagawin.
Pagkuhan ko karbing ako tigdibot.
No. Tips. We chill. We chill, everyone. We chill.
Asa gito sword, karbing ako na tigdibot nila.
Kung carving ka pag guardian armor,
Two sets will be enough. No more spending. We're losing money if we rig it again.
yeah, tsaka you had your fun naman
Kabalo ako sa karbing.
Was really we really enjoyed that first fight.
Okay, itong sa tunnel pa lang, lingaw na kahit.
Ay, dito mama. Op! Bobo ka ba?
Kapit.
Bobo.
Kapit.
You can't catch me, bro.
You know, we can do that in faction. We're gonna go Limmer's
Oh,
flag
same.
and go into some tunnel near the city.
Yeah. Red zone, yeah.
Pwede nga tayong mag-cap eh.
Nakapanipid.
Yun yung icon ko guys, actually. Icon ko is capping. Ngayon.
If you want to try, we can do that in faction 1.
Tsaka ZBZ.
We must
Ginawa
20 plus person then go go in Martlock, in Bridgewater Tunnel. We can go there. They will mass for us. And they will be like 4-1 guys. Stupid people trying to fight us. Okay, yeah. Grab set.
Ala, hinuli si Suki. What the fuck?
Yeah.
Dude, I know.
Guys, I need you guys to be on active. Don't be late.
Patay ang buang nadakpan naman.
Ibig matabang ko sa iCards lang. Magpa-invite ko sa iCards ko. Dakpan mayroon ko.
You need to practice your timings, boys. Our damage is kinda late, to be honest.
Defensive din, Ray.
We have
Kasama. Kasama
Wait.
yan.
Defensive will be later be strategized because some of our people are new. They don't know how to use defensive. They don't know how to use defensive gears, defensive weapons.
Mga gigapads.
We need to-
Importante pag CP.
For now, we strategize for attacks.
Okay lang ba mag-energy saver ako?
Tsaka,
Yeah, okay.
oh, maganda yun.
Actually, you guys died in Quinton Tanobo Energy Saver. I saw that. You guys eat the laser.
Raiku, can you tell me one thing?
What's it?
Bro, how to get my
What?
How to get my cut?
No, don't worry. I'll announce it. You have a
Oy, don't
We have-
dismount
we have
on me.
tested.
Mamamatay kayo, ah.
look at my live. Look at my stream. There's like a lot of chess in the Limers Island. Look at this.
Watching now.
As you can see, we have a lot of chess here. Every chess here has its own owner. Look at this. This
Dimas
one
na ba?
owns. Yes, we Dimas.
Not loading, man. Don't know why.
I'll just drop your loot here and call you guys. What's your number?
Okay. Tell. Please, not feasible. Okay, see ya. Nice.
Tara, tracking.
Whose island is this?
Wala na kayong mga pera.
Limers.
Okay, then.
Wala mag-invest ya.
This is a personalized